Taking Flight Pro Drone Showdown! What's up everybody, it's Brandon here, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking things to the skies, diving deep into the world of professional drones. We're talking top-tier tech, incredible camera capabilities, and the features that set these machines apart. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your aerial photography journey, stick around as we break down the best of the best, uncovering the pros and cons to help you find the perfect drone for your needs. DJI Phantom 4 Pro, the reigning champ. First up, we're starting with a classic, a drone that needs no introduction, the DJI Phantom 4 Pro. This drone has been a game changer in the industry since its release, setting a high bar for what aerial photography and videography can achieve. It's not just a drone, it's a statement of quality and reliability. This beast has been a staple in the professional world for a reason. Its robust build and advanced features make it a go-to choice for many professionals. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or intricate architectural details, the Phantom 4 Pro delivers consistently stunning results. You're looking at a drone that's practically synonymous with high-quality aerial footage. Its reputation precedes it, and for good reason. The Phantom 4 Pro has set the standard for what we expect from a high-end drone. The Phantom 4 Pro boasts an impressive 4K camera that captures stunning detail and vibrant colors, making it a favorite for filmmakers and photographers alike. The camera's performance in various lighting conditions is exceptional, ensuring that your footage looks professional no matter the environment. But it's not just about the camera. DJI really knocked it out of the park with the Phantom 4 Pro's obstacle avoidance system. This feature is crucial for both novice and experienced pilots, providing an extra layer of safety and confidence when flying in complex environments. We're talking 5 directions of obstacle sensing and a 4-direction obstacle avoidance system. This means the drone can detect and avoid obstacles from the front, back, left, right, and below, significantly reducing the risk of crashes. That means this drone is practically built to avoid accidents, which is a huge plus when you're flying a pricey piece of equipment. The peace of mind that comes with knowing your drone can navigate safely through challenging environments is invaluable. However, no tech is perfect. The Phantom 4 Pro, while powerful, is definitely on the bulkier side. Its size and weight can be a drawback for those who need a more portable solution. Carrying it around requires a bit more planning and effort. It's not exactly something you can slip into a small backpack for a spontaneous hike. If portability is a priority for you, this might be a significant consideration. The Phantom 4 Pro is best suited for planned shoots where you can afford to carry a larger drone. And then there's the price. The Phantom 4 Pro sits at the higher end of the spectrum, which is something to consider depending on your budget. While it offers a lot of value, the investment is substantial. For those who need top-tier performance and are willing to pay for it, the Phantom 4 Pro is worth every penny. But for hobbyists or those on a tighter budget, it might be a bit of a stretch. In conclusion, the DJI Phantom 4 Pro remains a powerhouse in the drone world. Its combination of advanced features, exceptional camera quality, and reliable performance makes it a top choice for professionals. However, its size and price point are factors that potential buyers need to weigh carefully. If you're looking for a drone that delivers professional-grade results and can handle complex flying environments, the Phantom 4 Pro is hard to beat. Autel Robotics Evo 2 8K Beast Mode engaged. Next up, we're taking a look at the Autel Robotics Evo 2. This drone is not just another addition to the market, it's a game changer in many ways. This drone comes out swinging, packing some serious specs, including a feature that really sets it apart: 8K video recording. Imagine capturing every single detail in your footage, from the smallest leaf to the grandest landscape. That's right, the Evo 2 lets you capture footage in incredible detail, future-proofing your work and giving you more flexibility in post-production. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or an enthusiast, this feature is a game changer. But the Evo 2 doesn't stop there. It also boasts an impressive battery life, clocking in at up to 40 minutes of flight time on a single charge. This means you can spend more time in the air and less time on the ground swapping out batteries. It also boasts an impressive battery life, clocking in at up to 40 minutes of flight time on a single charge. This extended flight time is perfect for capturing those long, uninterrupted shots that can make your footage stand out. That's a lot of time to get those perfect shots without having to land and swap batteries constantly. Imagine the convenience and the creative possibilities that come with such extended flight time. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room: the weight. The Evio 2 is a bit heavier than some of the other drones on this list, which can be a consideration depending on how you plan to use it. The Evio 2 is a bit heavier than some of the other drones on this list. This added weight can be a double-edged sword. While it might offer more stability in windy conditions, it also means you'll feel the difference when you're carrying it around. You'll definitely feel the difference when you're carrying it around. If you're planning on hiking to remote locations or traveling extensively with your drone, this is something to keep in mind. And similar to the Phantom 4 Pro, the Evio 2 also comes with a premium price tag. This is not a budget-friendly option, but it's designed for those who demand the best in their aerial footage. But hey, you get what you pay for, right? The Evio 2 offers top-of-the-line features that justify its price. From its 8K video capabilities to its extended battery life, this drone is built for those who are serious about their craft. If you're looking for a drone that can deliver professional-grade results, the Autel Robotics Evo 2 is definitely worth considering. Chapter 3. DJI Mavic 2 Pro Pocket Powerhouse. Let's move on to another heavy hitter from DJI, the Mavic 2 Pro. This drone has been a game-changer in the world of aerial photography and videography. This drone is all about portability without compromising on quality. It's designed for those who are always on the go, yet demand top-notch performance from their gear. The Mavic 2 Pro is known for its compact design, making it perfect for travelers and adventurers who want a drone that can easily tag along. Whether you're hiking up a mountain or exploring a new city, this drone fits snugly into your backpack. But don't let the size fool you. This little guy is packing some serious camera tech. It's not just a drone, it's a flying camera that can capture breathtaking shots. We're talking about a Hasselblad camera with a 1-inch CMOS sensor. This is the kind of tech you'd expect to find in high-end cameras, not something that fits in the palm of your hand. That translates to stunning image quality, even in low-light conditions. Imagine capturing the beauty of a city skyline at night, or the subtle hues of a sunset. The Mavic 2 Pro handles it all with ease. The Mavic 2 Pro captures vibrant colors and sharp details, making it a solid choice for both photos and videos. Whether you're a professional photographer or a hobbyist, this drone elevates your work to new heights. However, that compact design does come with a trade-off battery life. While it's impressive for its size, you might find yourself needing to carry extra batteries for longer shoots. The Mavic 2 Pro's flight time is a bit shorter than some of the other drones on this list, maxing out at around 31 minutes. This is still quite respectable, but it's something to keep in mind if you're planning extended sessions. And of course, being a DJI product, the Mavic 2 Pro comes with a premium price tag. It's an investment, but for those who need a reliable, high-quality drone, it's worth every penny. The combination of portability, advanced camera technology, and overall performance makes the Mavic 2 Pro a standout choice in the crowded drone market. Chapter 4. Parrot Anafi USA Zoom Zoom Zoom. Now let's switch gears and check out the Parrot Anafi USA. This drone brings some unique features to the table, particularly when it comes to its camera capabilities. The Anafi USA is all about getting up close and personal with its impressive 32x zoom. That's right, you can zoom in on subjects from a distance without sacrificing image quality. But wait, there's more. The Anafi USA also offers thermal imaging capabilities. This feature makes it a versatile tool for various applications, from inspections to search and rescue operations. However, all that tech does come at a cost, and I'm not just talking about the price tag, although the Anafi USA does sit at the higher end. The battery life is a bit shorter compared to some of the other drones we've discussed, topping out at around 32 minutes. Chapter 5. Skydio 2. This drone pilots itself. Last but not least, we have the Skydio 2, a drone that's all about pushing the boundaries of autonomous flight. This drone is packed with sensors and AI technology that allows it to navigate obstacles and track subjects with incredible precision. We're talking about a drone that can literally fly itself, freeing you up to focus on getting those perfect shots. And when it comes to ease of use, the Skydio 2 takes the cake. Its intuitive controls and user-friendly interface make it a great option for both beginners and experienced pilots. However, even with all its advanced features, the Skydio 2 does have some limitations. Its range is a bit shorter compared to some of the other drones on this list, and it comes with a premium price tag. So there you have it, folks, a breakdown of some of the top professional drones on the market. From the classic DJI Phantom 4 Pro to the autonomous Skidio 2, each drone brings its own strengths and weaknesses to the table. Ultimately, the best drone for you will depend on your specific needs and budget. But we want to hear from you. Let us know in the comments down below which drone you think is the best and why. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching.